Instagram. We are just doing some more behind the scenes as we do here at Magic Hair Company, your best glueless, full lace, and front lace wig supplier located here in Culver City, California. And on 10/15, not only will we have the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs, but we will have braided wigs available. So right now we're just doing some behind the scenes, doing a little photo shoot, and of course we're going to bring you along so you can check out our great braided wigs in stock 10/15 at magichaircompany.com. Shop with us online or in store. All right, so we have our first 4 braided wigs available. Our first wig today is wig number 550. This is unit number 550. It is a top knot braid cornrow wig, and pay attention to how neatly these braids and parts are here. This is quality hair braiding right here. This is wig number 550, available at magichaircompany.com. Check out how easy it is to put on this wig. And so you see there are these baby hair right here, but this is optional. We can either cut these baby hair off for you, we can tuck them in for you, or you can have no baby hair. The choice is yours. But check out how neat these braids, check out how neat the braids are, check out how neat the parting is. All of the braids are the exact same size and braided all the way down to the end. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is wig number 550, available at magichaircompany.com. All right, on to the next one. And yes, it is nice and secure. This is wig number 601, where this is some beautiful twists. As you can see, these are 1B medium twists. We do have different size twists and different colors coming, but this is the first one we have here. They are nice and secure, ladies and gentlemen, so you don't have to worry about whether you want to glue it down or wear it glueless, because as you see here, I'm wearing it glueless. So you see these baby hair right here? You can either tuck them in, wear them like so, or you can, just gel them down. The choice is yours. So the way the cap is constructed, the choice is yours, what you would like to do with the baby hair, whether you want to cut it, tuck it under, or just gel it down. But look at how amazingly beautiful these parts and braid patterns are. You don't need to bleach these knots at home. You don't need to do anything. It is ready to go. This is wig number 601. And this is another 22-inch. It's soft, it's not hard. It's going to give you lots of movement. It's braided all the way down to the end. Boom, boom, bam. Our next wig is wig number 602. This one has a beautiful, what is this, number 4? It's like a mix of a 1B
number 4
and number 4. Check out how beautiful these twists are. All of the twists are the same size, and it has a slight ombre at the end. Shop with us if you want the best. If you want quality wigs, come on into Magic Hair Company, conveniently located in Culver City, California. We are still in our COVID hours, and our current COVID hours are Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. And there you go. This is this one on. It's really secure. Not going anywhere. It falls at a great length on me. I love these braided wigs, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. So this is the parting right here. And you see there's these slight baby hair, which you can utilize them, cut them off, tuck them in, gel them down. Beautiful. The choice is yours. I told you guys we were going to bring some fire when we bring these braided wigs. And last but not least, we have wig number 603. We do have a couple more coming on the website. I think we have like 6 more, but right now today we're just showing you what we have ready and available. So look at how neat this braid pattern is right here. These are some nice feed in braids. Once again, this is wig number 603. There's absolutely no need to spend an entire day getting your hair braided, sitting in somebody's chair. There's no need for that when you can have a braided wig from Magic Hair Company in seconds. This is wig number 603, ladies and gentlemen.
It's my favorite.
I love this one. I think I'm gonna do this in like a number 4, maybe like an ombre, not blonde in this one, but
yeah, that one is cute.
I'm loving the braided wigs. What do you guys think? Check us out at magichaircompany.com.
Somebody said it's cute, but they have a lumpy transition in the back. Trying to be a hater.
All right, that was our 4 wigs for today, and we'll show you the other 4 maybe tomorrow. But I wanted to make sure we definitely showed you a little bit of our preview. Magic Hair Company braided wigs available tomorrow on our website, magichaircompany.com.